And napagkasya ko naman siya sa loob kahit papano. So, here it is. Hello and welcome to my channel. So this is another DIY tutorial with the help of Canva, and today I'm gonna help you create your own chip bag from the design to printing and having the actual item. So yeah, let's start. Now let's create the design. We will need to have an A4 document but on a landscape. So if an A4 size is 297 by 210 mm, we need 210 by 297 mm for this. So you can either do it manually or select this wall calendar. So either way around is fine, but I already have my template here with that size. Alright, so first thing you'll see here is the template guide. So this is the guide or the pattern that we can follow in creating our chip bag designs. So you'll notice there are markings here that says front design, left side, right side, space for the double-sided glue or tape. So yeah, this is the total guide. So yeah, you will get how to use it. Now let me show you a recent design I made from the past season for Christmas. So this design, personal namin tong ginawa at pinamigay sa mga kids during the Christmas season. But since malapit na yung Valentine's, we'll create one for Valentine's Day. Okay, so let's search for some ideas. Let's see, Valentine's. Now this one looks cute, and for the background I really like to use patterns like this one here, so I'll keep that, but I will add some more pages for more Valentine theme ideas. Okay, I think I've had enough ideas for my design. Now if you don't have any paper crimper like me, dayain na lang natin tong chip bag natin visually, so we can have these stripes on the top and the bottom. So I will just duplicate this design para meron na kagad siyang lines sa taas at sa baba, and konting edit na lang. Let me just rearrange the pages, and this one I will name it Sample for Valentine's. Okay, so let me just delete this. Okay, now I will copy the background that I like. Control A, Control C, and then i-drag natin siya sa taas. Control V to paste it here. Okay, now let me resize this to match the page, and then make sure we'll send it to the very back. Okay, now I will just do a little tweaking of the designs and fonts and colors. Okay, now let's work on these stripes on the top and the bottom of the page. Yeah, I just want to show you something just in case you're working on multiple pages on one design. So this is another tip. So before anything else, subscribe naman sa channel ko and hit that notification bell to receive updates on my latest videos. Let's see. Let's say we want to change this color into something else, like this one. Now it says here we can change all this color to this new color. So if we click change all, this will happen. See? So all designs with that color was changed to the new color. So pati itong all design is naapektuhan. Now let me just undo that. Control Z. make sure to lock this design or any other designs para hindi maapektuhan ng any change na gagawin natin. Okay, now let's try that again. Now let's click change all and see. Dun lang sa page na yun nagkaroon ng changes at hindi sa other designs. Okay, so let me just work on the rest of the lines here. Okay, now let me change the wordings from the other ideas na sinave ko kanina. Well, you can always come up with your own wordings, but it's up to you. Just for the sake of this tutorial, to make it easier, I'm just copying it from other designs. Okay, let me just change the font style for the front design. Alright, now to make sure that this front design is in the center of our chip bag, go back to the template guide, make sure to unlock it, click on this square here in the middle, copy it, then paste it on this design to make it as a guide. Now I will lock this element para hindi siya magalaw while I'm designing. Now since nilock natin yung element na nakapatong sa design, you might not be able to click on the designs in the middle. So what you can do is click, hold, and select to move the element inside that. Okay, there you go. Meron akong design for my Valentine chip bags. Now it's ready to be downloaded. But before that, don't forget to remove this guide here. So let's click on that, unlock, and delete. Alright, good to go. Now let's click on share, download. As usual, I'll select PDF standard for me, and I'll just choose that specific design for Valentine's. Okay, I'll be printing it now on 115 GSM Glossy Photopaper, and I'll show you what to do after printing. Now, ito yung PDF file nung dinownload yung design, and I just want to show you something. May mga light markings akong iniwan dito para kapag na-print na siya, ito yung susunod natin kapag tutupiin na yung chip bag. Okay? Nasa template to, I just forgot to mention it earlier. So yeah, let's now go with the printed design. Alright, so ito na yung na-print kong chip bag design. Again, I used 115 GSM Glossy one-sided photo paper. May link din yan sa description. Now, ito yung mga markings na sinasabi ko kanina. I just used a black pen to highlight this para makita sa video. But yeah, ito yung guide na ipa-follow ko kapag itutupi ko na yung chip bag. And you will notice the white spaces on the edge of the paper kasi nga hindi borderless yung printer ko. But that's fine because we still have to cut the edge using a Zigzag Scissor. Now let me just get those other materials we need. So this is the double-sided tape. Size is 1/2 inch. And the Zigzag Scissor. Okay, let me start to work on it. Okay, so na-fold ko na siya. Now, let's put on the double-sided tape. So, looking back at the template guide, dito natin siya lalagay sa taas, here sa baba, and dito sa left side. Naunahin ko na ilagay yung sa left side. Isagad lang natin sa edge ng paper yung double-sided tape. Before natin siya idikit, lagyan na rin natin ng double-sided yung taas at baba. Siyempre sa loob siya dapat. So, doon tayo sa part na walang design. Now, for the top and the bottom, I'd suggest wag masyadong idikit sa edge yung double-sided tape para madali lang gupitin mamaya. Okay, so naglagay ako ng allowance sa edge niya kasi mukhang hindi heavy duty tong scissor na nabili ko. So, para hindi mahirap guntingin. Now, idikit na natin siya, yung side and yung bottom part. Okay, now gupitin na natin yung top and bottom side using the Zigzag Scissor. Alright, so eto na siya. Now, let's try to put something inside. Okay, so lagyan natin siya ng laman. And ito yung nahukay ko sa ref namin. So, few chocolate bars and candies. Now, huwag niyo akong gayahin sa part na to. I know you can definitely do better than this. So, ayusin niyo lang yung paglagay ng goods or whatever you wanna put inside para maganda rin yung outcome niya. And napagkasya ko naman siya sa loob kahit papano. So, here it is.